In today's video, I want to show you a full-on production of mine, that something that takes not just 30 minutes that I can whip together like that. Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from Fancy FOXX Music. Fancy FOXX Music is all about helping you become the artist you're meant to be so you can confidently share your music and make an impact with your message. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, every Tuesday I drop a new video related to music production, music marketing, or just music lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing, clicking the little bell notification so you get a little dingy in your pocket, because people like when people ring ding in your pocket. But I upload a new video. Now last week I uploaded a video of a start to finish track of just making the drop section of a song from the new XLNT pack. They hit me up, they asked me to make just a video with a drop using some of the samples in it, and I really truly loved the pack, so I went to town with it, and that's the video from last week. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out after this video. In today's video, I want to show you a full-on production of mine, that something that takes not just 30 minutes that I can whip together like that, but something that I spent about a week on, maybe I think it was like 2 weeks on, actually, about 2 weeks on the track, going start to finish of it, basically like a full-on production, all the work that goes into something that I truly make and that I release with record labels. And I've used a couple other sounds, and again in this video, in the upcoming video, I say XLNT. The name of the sample pack company is XLNT, XLNT. I'm a little bit dyslexic, so I just read things wrong, but nonetheless the pack is still awesome, and I use a lot of the vocal chops in my original song, and build-ups and drums and the stabs. So I'm going to show you that exactly right now. We're going to listen to the track, and yeah, hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get something from looking at my workflow and just looking at how intricate some of my productions are. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so I'll just play through this track initially so you can hear the whole sound, then I'll kind of break it down and show you where I kind of use the XLNT samples. And yeah, this is the thing. The main inspiration for the song was I just kind of started out like I do normally with most of my songs, and try to find a good vocal hook or something to kind of like entice the listener into like the song. It's something that's just some sort of hook that sounds cool that the person can relate with, because most songs without vocals people can't really relate with. So I found that super easy with the XLNT pack. I really like the pre-drop thing. I'll just show you quickly right here. The whole thing was themed around this. Shuffle when the shit go. That's basically it. So I just kind of chop that up in different variations, and you'll hear that right now. When the shit go. 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 That beat go, 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 go. When the shit go. That beat go, go, go. When the shit go. That beat go, 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 go. Shuffle when the shit go. That beat go. That beat go. That beat go. That beat go. And then I'll just skip through this. This is the next bit. Kind of builds up to the breakdown. Got some weird stuff going on in there. And then it basically rinses and repeats and goes to a bigger, more intense build up. Shuffle when the shit go. That beat go. That beat go. So where the main force of the song was using this XLNT vocal sample, and I also got this one as well, and I just had them basically, one was going. When the shit go. That beat go, 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 go. And I have lots of modulation going on in here. I'll show you just with the how it exactly pans and how it exactly delays. So that's the huge thing that I just took a little bit of time, and then I just kind of chopped it up here. That beat go. That beat go. And then here what I did was I just warped it a little differently, and to make the dat make it a little bit go like a little bit quicker in the drop section. That beat go. And I rearranged it here. That beat go.
Just change the timing a little bit on that. Another huge thing was the brass stabs. So I used tons of the xylem things in the brass stabs. It's a huge part of, I love brass stabs. And then when combined with the bass, it sounds really nice. And then in the drum section, I used heaps of them here. So a lot in the build-up section. I have lots of drums building up here. And yeah, and they're mostly in the drum section. A couple of the fills here, this little fill over here. Again, just like chopping up different percussion bits and having them kind of like signaling back and forth. And I also have a bunch of modulation on this, so it's not just the same kind of thing over and over again. But yeah, this really helped me out, and it gave me the main basis for this song. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this in an actual working track of mine that is going to be released. Not sure what label it on yet. I just literally finished it the other day. But yeah, this compiled with the other video that I made showing exactly how to make a track, kind of just using samples from the thing. It's a great pack, super good sound quality, really, really easy plug and play, and definitely helped my workflow. I would highly recommend them. And yeah, love these guys, love what they're doing. They're doing mad tutorials online, doing lots of sound design stuff. Just great patches, great tutorials, great sample banks. So can't recommend them enough. And we will be giving a giveaway to any of you guys listening. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet, but I will definitely keep you posted on that.
Now, I hope you got something from that. This is my detailed workflow. I put a lot of things and elements into my songs. Now, if you're digging with the kind of music that I make, and you're digging some of the releases that I've had out, I had a recent release out on Confessions, which got up to the number 13 on the Beatport charts, did awesome on YouTube, got tons of support from tons of DJs, and just was a really successful release. But more importantly, if you like the music that I'm making and you like the quality and you like me as a teacher, I've just opened up my mentoring program where I go through how to get you to that next level with your music production. It's basically teaching electronic music producers how to finish music that's commercially polished, mixed and mastered, and festival ready and record label ready in about 8 weeks, all while not feeling frustrated, confused, or just overwhelmed. That's a huge passion of mine, and I really, really help my clients get to that next level. So if that's something you're interested in, there is an application form down below. Just click the application form, fill it out. I'll review it, and we'll decide whether to have a free one-on-one consultation call where I'll just figure out a plan to get you to that next level, and then we can decide whether to work together or not. I don't work with everybody. I really want the people to be hardworking and diligent and just badasses overall around. So if that's you and you want some help with your music, click that link down below. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to get some more music to you. Until next week, peace.